Recharging your SLTV decoder has never been easier. With the MetroDigital app, you can renew your subscription from the comfort of your home without visiting an office or an agent. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to complete your subscription in just a few minutes. First, open the SLTV MetroDigital app on your smartphone. If you haven't installed it yet, download it from your device's app store. Next, sign in using your STB number, which is the number printed on the back of your decoder and begins with SB. Then enter the default login pass and then log in. Once you're logged in, tap Recharge. On the next screen, tap your STB number again to confirm that you're recharging the correct decoder. Next, select your subscription package. At the moment, there are two packages available: Gold and Basic. Choose the one you want to subscribe to. After selecting your package, tap Pay Now. The app will redirect you to the Paystack checkout page. Choose your preferred payment method. Personally, I prefer using the bank transfer option because it's quick and convenient, but you can use any payment method that works best for you. Complete your payment, then return to the MetroDigital app and wait for the transaction to be confirmed. Once your payment is successful, you'll see a confirmation message like this. Your subscription should be activated within a few minutes. If it takes a little longer, leave your decoder switched on and tuned to an SLTV channel while the activation signal is being processed. And that's it! You've successfully recharged your SLTV decoder using the MetroDigital app. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to CCIJ-TECHHUB, and turn on notifications for more tutorials on SLTV, Dstv, Gotv, Startimes, satellite TV installation and troubleshooting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.